About desktop and computer peripherals. Part 1, Taskbar, Start button. So now we are going to talk about what is desktop. So you know that you are having a lots of things arranged on the top of the desk, isn't it? In your home or in on your study table also, on the top of that desk a lots of things are arranged. So likewise, or the same way, in our computer, we are also having a desktop where all the items are arranged. Okay, so let's see what are all the items that are visible on the top of our computer desktop. Here you can see a folders are there, files are there, shortcut icons are there, lots of icons are there, my computer is there, recycle bin is there, start button you can see here, and long task bar you can see this, and also you can see some background picture. So these are all the things that are arranged here. Okay, so why all these things are here? The desktop is the primary user interface of a computer. What is meant by user interface? The primary user interface means if you want to access or if you want to take any of the files or the folders that we have saved here, you can directly select it from the desktop itself. You can click the start button, or by clicking the computer also you can communicate with the computer. So we can say that the desktop is the primary user interface of a computer. Also, desktop is an area, or we can call it as a window. Now I am going to talk about the taskbar. So what is meant by taskbar? The long bar that seen at the bottom. It is the horizontal bar located at the bottom of the screen where running programs are shown here. The running program means if I would like to work on the computer, if I want to work on the paint, if I open this paint, if I would like to do some drawing, you can see that when I clicked on it, you can see that the icon is here. That means now the paint is working. So we can say that the running program icon is shown here. Suppose if I would like to work on Word, MS Word, this one, the icon is also visible here. Okay, so this taskbar indicates the icons of the running program. That means what are all the tasks that we are currently working on this computer. When I close this, you can see that this also get clear. The taskbar, you can observe that the icon also get closed. Okay, so when I closed here, see, gone. Now if I would not like to work on this paint, or I finished working on it and I'm going to close it, so now I'm going to close this one. So when I close this, soon after the icon also get vanished from this taskbar. So is that clear what is taskbar and why we call it as a taskbar? Because all the running programs are shown in the taskbar. And next one I am talking about is the start button. You all know about the start button. In the first chapter also we learned how to start the computer, how to shut down the computer. Okay, so what is the start button used for? The start menu is used to open programs and folders and search for the things on your computer and turn off your computer, isn't it? So here you can see all the files and the folders, and you can search the programs, softwares, and you can shut down the computer, you can turn on the computer. So all these options we can do using this start button. Now let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What is a computer desktop? Answer. The desktop is the primary user interface of a computer. Question number 2. What are all the things that we can see on the desktop? Answer. Desktop background, or we can say it as a wallpaper, icons of files and folders, recycle bin, taskbar and start button. Question number 3. What is the function of start menu? Answer. The Start menu is used to open programs and folders, search for things on your computer and turn off your computer. Question number 4. What is a taskbar? Answer. Taskbar is a horizontal bar located at the bottom of the screen where running programs icons are shown. Thank you, children.